They say kids.
Few lines about New Year resolution for kids. New Year resolution. The goal that a person takes at the beginning of a year is the New Year resolution. My goal for the New Year is I will eat more vegetables and fruits. I will eat healthy foods. I will avoid fast foods. I will drink 2 liters of water every day. I will make my bed and clean my room. I will not fight with my siblings. I will listen and help to my mom. I will watch TV less and study more. I will plant more trees. I will help others. I will make more friends. I will make out best out of waste materials. I will read more storybooks. I will create something new. I will go on a vacation. I will adopt a new pet. I will be honest with myself and others. I will do more exercise and yoga. I will learn to draw and do more paintings. I will more active than last year. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.